this video, I'm going to show you the ways to increase the credit limit on your Capital One credit card. So in order to increase the credit card limit on your credit card or on your Capital One credit card, you just have to follow the steps. Now, credit limits are set by the lenders to help prevent overspending, among other things. Like, lender typically looks at credit scores and credit report when viewing credit applications. Now, other factors lender may consider when setting credit limit include payment history, whether you pay your bills, including monthly credit card bills, on time or not, and if you have ever filed for bankrupt or have a debt sentence to collect. Now, likewise, the current account also matters, like how many accounts do you have, or do you have it as open, and what kind of loans do you have opens, or do you sustain high balance across your existing credit card. And apart from it, account history is also another important or impactful. How long have you had your current account, or have you applied for a bunch of new credit card recently or not? If you have a credit card debt, and whether you're using your credit or not, and it also highly depends on the income, or do you make enough money to cover your monthly bills or not. So these are the criteria or the determination that can lead you to increase the credit limit on your Capital One credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.